forward number 7, Anthony White Jr. Also at forward number 16, Raymar Kaduyak. Point guard number 6, Ian Melencio. Also at guard number 9, Kurt Lactautau.
Chip going to Ian Melencio.
Right away, Ian Melencio giving Bacolod Mascaras the 2-point up. Pero tabla na tayo dito.
12 rebounds and 10 assists. Wow.
Wow, those numbers are really for
Eye-popping numbers, Coach Vic, no?
pang MVP talaga eh.
Mesqueriola, nakalusot sa ilalim. Perfect contact. Able to... Bacolod trailing by 1. Melencio tried to dump it down low. Ball intercepted. Bienes sa kabila. Points. The game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
That was a very good recognition by the Negros Acenderos looking for the getaway.
Yun, turning defense into offense. Rabie.
Pero once you start breaking that losing streak, pwedeng magtuloy-tuloy yan eh.
Mesqueriola bumitbit sa kabila. Lays it up and in. What a stretch from Ram Mesqueriola.
Pag nakuha ni Kaduyak yan, this is a very good shooter. I've seen him in his previous team in college.
Ito, shooter din to sa labas. That's one of their assistant coaches that Daphne mentioned earlier in her report. Galman, bounce pass, Giyab, supalpal, inabot, tatakbo si CJ Alatica. CJ all the way for 2 plus the foul. Bindit sa kabila.
Ang daming fast break dito na makikita natin sa ball game na to.
Wahing swings it. Mesqueriola on target from the left corner. Second triple for Ram Mesqueriola. Jensen ang kasunod nilang kalaban. Ganda yun sa Wednesday.
Oo, sa Wednesday.
Oh, that 3-pointer falls down for Rev Diputado.
Right,
23-20.
Yeah, very exact dun sa Q. Rev Diputado from NU in college.
Tres na pinakawalan ni Rev Diputado. Arjun 8 seconds left. Wahing nawala sa kanyang bola. Tumatakbo si CJ Alatica. Has Miko laban to beat. He lays it up and in over him.
Sumabol na dito yung Bacolod and their pace na mukhang sila yung lalamang dito sa first quarter. Pero
Melencio nakawala kay Pasumbal. Ian, one-hander. He knocks it down.
attacks right away. Look at that.
Ayun, ganda
Wala, no?
Mesqueriola pasa sa corner. Galman, one-legged shot, no. Mesqueriola, yes! 35 all. Snaking his way through. Wow, Rev Diputado over Ram Mesqueriola.
Good drive by Rev Diputado. Ang bilis ng pace ng game. Talaga eh. Nobody wants to set up the ball. They're really trying to take advantage of na hindi pa nakaset ang defense ng kalaban nila. Both teams, ha?
Bienes popping out again. This time off the dribble. Rejected though by Eman Galman. Mesqueriola in stride. Lays it in for 2. Galman secures the rebound for Bacolod. Galman lumusob sa loob. Wala. Harley Jinx sticks it back in plus the foul.
All the way there.
Before that, this was the stick back. Ito, humabol sa loob si Harley Jinx. Did not find the right angle. Sidestep, Galman, 2 points. Maraming salamat, Daphne Cristobal. Pwede ba natin siya tawaging Daphne Courtside? Malaksak si Wilson Baltasar. Pasa sa labas. Jeric 5. Pasok yung kanyang tres.
Sa Bacolod Mascaras, yun yung importante sa lahat eh.
Naagaw, tumatakbo. Laktaw-taw in a foot race. Lays it in. Mintis. Dalisay. What a fake. Letting Diputado fly by, and he was able to score off that nice assist.
12 rebounds, 11 assists. That was a very good pass. Good look.
63-59. Galman off the bounce, spins, and scores for Bacolod, opening up a 6-point lead. Diputado creating space, can't finish. Melencio, the pitch ahead. That's his 10th assist already, setting up Kobe Dalisay.
So 2 points shy, 2 points away of a triple-double here, Ian Melencio.
Actually, 8 points, 11 rebounds. Ay, nalimutan ni Coach Vic. Okay lang. Ano naman to eh.
Ako lang hindi naka-hoodie dito. At malamig ah.
Approaching 4 minutes. Alatica sidestep to the cup. Yung Paranaque, nagkaroon ng ilang pagkakataon na makakuha ng unang panalo. Nabigo sila, Coach Vic. Ano yung sasabihin mo, Coach?
Yeah, yun nga. Is this the game that will make this Negros?
At an 3-point play opportunity coming up. Ito naman yung play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Lakas ng pangatawan talaga nito ni cut inside, Galman fails to finish. Parang nasaktan pa siya doon. Diputado spins into trouble, lost it. Warjon Waring gets it to Eman Galman, who scores his 20th point. Wilson Baltasar, Sarah Joseph, and CJ Alatica magkakasama sa loob for the guys in white. Alatica with a short jumper. Melencio. Pass to Galman. Nobody marking on him. Missing the 3. Giab inside. Uncontested. Another assist. Credited to Ian Melencio.
That's very disappointing for Negros. Hawak na nila yung bola. It's almost, gagrab na lang nila eh. Kukunin na lang nila yung bola eh.
Hindi sila makasecure ng defensive
Hindi
rebound.
secure.
17 offensive rebounds given up by Negros. Yet they're still in the game. CJ Alatica leading them in scoring with 15 off the bench. Melencio. Last second dropping it off. 13 assists for Ian Melencio. Delivering it to Rames Carriola, who now has 22 markers.
Another creation by Ian Melencio.
83-74, Sarah Joseph pumihit sa loob.
Nagulat si Red Diputado sa pasa.
Oo nga eh. Fadeaway jumper, Anthony White, that rattles in.
It's a 8-point of Anthony White and kaya pa to. 7-point lead for the Bacolod Mascaras.
Melencio gets to his spot. Napaka-sureball niya pag ganyan eh.
But if they want to,
Brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Approaching the halfway point of the fourth quarter. Galman, sumaksak, dinala sa kabila, 4-2. At apek ni Alatica. On the run, CJ, pass to Jeric 5. He finishes through contact, count it. That Bacolod turnover, they run down the floor.
pumasok yun. Yun, bumawi agad. Kaya lang, nawala rin. Medyo madulas nga yung bola.
Get Giab.
Oo nga, tapos lumipat sa Negros, no?
Oo, tama. Uy, what a pass inside. Melencio. The vision setting up Kurt Lactautau. Melencio with his 14th assist, 14 points, 14 rebounds, and 14 assists. So malaksak si Wilson Baltasar. Under 3 minutes left. Melencio. Kev Giab will score. Ganda ng backdoor kanina.
Oo.
No?
Hindi nakita eh. Full court defensive scheme nila, kailangan nilabas na rin nila dito.
So approaching.
Another
Last 2
backdoor!
minutes. Inside, putback is good from Eman Galman. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. 97-83, 14-point lead for Bacolod. Their biggest of the match. Baltasar inside, no good. Anthony White hops into the lane, lays it in for 2. 10 points for Anthony White. 5 seconds left on the shot clock. The Lisay for 3, no good. Lactautau. Pinasa ulit palabas. Inside, reverse layup. Dinegros sa Senderos.
Yes, bringing the game again for Bacolod is Ian Melencio with a triple-double performance here in the ball game.